Alright, here we go. So each one's got a name. This is Dickie. And we're off. Lovely little classic ride, this. God, this part literally is tiny. Wow. That's quite a long layout, that actually, as well. See ya. Woo! That's got some speed to it. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Whee! Woo! Ah! Love it. Whee! No worries.